Yoni self-healing massage. Deepening your Yoni awareness. Let's deepen a bit more into this territory of awakening Yoni awareness. Do you realize that when you feel fear or feel vulnerable, the muscles in your Yoni will naturally tighten and contract? The muscle memory of your Yoni will respond to fear more than anywhere else in your body. You can feel into this intimate space by simply dropping your awareness into your Yoni right now. Notice how your Yoni may be holding unconscious tension or contraction, and see if you can sense this. Our vaginas hold so much, either from past sexual experiences, from birthing and miscarriages to menstruation, pain or abortions, or from other traumas and fear-based sexual interactions. And like other muscles in our bodies, like our shoulders and neck, they contract when they're under stress or tension, and it prevents us from deepening into feeling, and it can lead to a numbed out sensation in the body. Old trauma gets stored in the Yoni, so it's really important to add this Yoni massage practice as a preventative health care practice. And also it supports you to move through the numbness and to heal any pain. Yoni self-healing massage renews and enlivens your tissues and the core muscles, and it even helps to release lower back tension. It works within the entire pelvic bowl region. It'll support you to generate and activate a more vibrant Shakti power for your ecstatic embodiment. A foundational aspect of our practice is activating the energy in the pelvic bowl to build Shakti life force for creative inspiration, transformation, pleasure, and healing. You'll need to go into a deeper sensing and presence to heal your pelvic bowl as a core foundation. Yoni self-healing massage is a powerful and a much-needed practice to bring the vital creative aliveness back into your root, your womb, your vagina, and pelvic bowl. You're being guided to inhabit your wild feminine and more deeply be present within the root felt sense of your body. Yoni massage will help you to release chronic tension and imbalances in your entire pelvic bowl. You want to learn how to follow your own body wisdom and communication, and as we move forward with these practices, you are deepening into this. Setting your intentions and focus. Before you begin, you can ask yourself some questions to help focus your intention and your attention. You can begin by asking, what am I trying to do? Remember that rather than achieving a particular outcome, you're beginning to establish a loving relationship with your body. You're becoming familiar with your own female anatomy and learning how to read and communicate with your own inner core sense. With gentle massage, you're also soothing and healing your body and giving it permission to begin to feel again and to release what's no longer needed that it's holding. You are establishing a precedent of experiencing loving, respectful touch in your body. You could ask, what are the benefits of vaginal massage? This massage increases your sense of peace and deep realization because it reduces tensions and increases cellular flow within your pelvic bowl. It improves overall muscle health, strength, and vitality to enable these muscles to provide core structural support for your body and its functions. You become more energetically present to this region, and so you can better harness and access the energy force here. You may also notice increased sensation and muscle tone in your vagina, as well as enhanced sexual arousal and enjoyment over time. Beginning the practice. It's best to start slowly and build up your practice. You can begin with a few lighter introductory sessions and then extend your time and presence as you deepen. Begin learning the practice by using your fingers only, as you're learning to map and sense the territory within your own felt, touch, and sensory insights. Use a natural lubricant to help soften your touch. From your Awakened Yoni Toolbox recommendations, I suggest organic, pure almond, sesame, or coconut oil. Remember, never put artificial ingredients, chemical additives, or fragrances in your yoni space, as these tissues are highly delicate and absorptive. Light a candle, set a healing intention, and put on some soft, soothing music to support your healing practice. Make certain you feel warm and comfortable in your practice space and have all the privacy you need to truly relax. Make sure you're not going to be disturbed, and make sure your phone is switched off. The deeper you drop into the practice, the more you will receive. As far as positions, you're going to want to find a position that allows you to easily access your yoni inside and out. Some options you can try include lying on your side with your legs apart and slightly bent, and you can lift and support your upper leg with pillows or cushions. Or you can lay flat on your back with your legs bent and open, or you can be in a slightly reclined sitting position that props your back up with your legs open. This can extend your reach a bit. Find whichever position gives you more comfortable access to your yoni. Introduction to your yoni. Have a hand mirror nearby to have a look at your own beautiful yoni and learn about her unique anatomy. You will need a bit more lighting for this. Try to locate all the different areas of your female genitalia, getting to know your own personal anatomy in more intimate detail. Notice if you have any aversions or shame when looking at yourself. You may want to journal about any negative or taboo feelings that arise and explore where they may have originated from, and if you're ready to let them go. How do you feel about your yoni in general? Do you have a positive, neutral, or negative connection to her? Beginning external exploration. To begin your exploration, apply some warmed natural lubrication to your fingers and begin to explore the exterior of the vulva. As you gently and slowly massage and smooth the tissue, locate your inner and outer labia, the perineum, the pubic mound, and the clitoral glans area. Use light, smooth stroking or circular massage to awaken and connect to your external yoni tissues. Notice how the region feels when touched with a healing presence rather than a sexual intention for pleasure. Do you feel taboo touching yourself in this way? Notice if there's a great deal of tension in the area when it's touched. Does it naturally contract to touch, or does it seem to relax? Remember to breathe deeply with belly breath and relax as you go, and take your time and slow way down. Sense, feel, and be present with your own yoni. Get to know her in a different and new way. Send her loving, healing intention. You are beginning a new relationship with her. Ask her how she's feeling or what she needs. You may be surprised that you get a direct answer. Part 2, Interior Massage. Now, making sure you have ample lubrication, gently and slowly approach your vaginal opening. Massage around the entrance and see how it feels. Is it open and welcoming you to enter, or dry and tight? Do not enter until your vaginal opening is soft and yielding. If she's tense and tight and dry, ask her what she needs and if she is ready to be entered. Notice if you have ever asked your Yoni if she was ready to be entered, or if a partner has ever asked. When you get a clear yes, either because she feels relaxed, wet, and open, or you hear an invitation to enter, slowly insert either your index finger or thumb into your vagina and gently touch your pelvic muscles by stroking the inner canal tissues. Go around in a circle and feel the different sides of the vaginal canal, the top, the bottom, and the left and the right. Use gentle pressure and pay attention to the response of your body. You can touch areas simply to focus your awareness, or you can smooth the muscle fibers in a basic light circular massage stroke. You're not trying to create sexual pleasure, although you may feel this, but you also may feel totally numb, and that's very normal too. Maintain your healing and present attunement to sensation with your loving touch and massage. Make certain your Yoni does not feel any false pressure to perform or to become aroused. If she does naturally, that's fine, but that's not your goal. Just be present with whatever is present. You want her to feel a touch that is healing in nature and sensitive to deeper information exchange within the tissues. Listen to your body. The first few times, just become familiar with the sensations of your external and your internal anatomy. Try to touch and notice rather than attempt to change any areas of tension. Deepening into practice. After a few introductory healing massage connections with your Yoni, you'll have a better idea of your own anatomy and tension or pain patterns may appear. When you feel ready, intentionally slow your breathing and begin to soften each area of tension by increasing your connection to this area while you massage. Some pain is normal and it can be gently worked out with this form of self-body work. Never press or push in a fast, rapid, or aggressive way on these gentle tissues. Firm but gentle pressure will begin to soften hardened or painful areas. Slowly breathe into any areas that have pain or tension as you gently massage or hold pressure on and through the trigger point. You do not need to release all the tension in any given session. Releasing even a fraction will begin changing your core patterns of pelvic muscular imbalance. Continue to make either circular movements or hold steady pressure on any areas of pain or tension. Ending the practice. When you feel complete and ready to finish your massage, place your hand or both hands over your Yoni in a loving, supportive, protective way. Give thanks for the root of your feminine body. Hold your hand or both hands over your Yoni, cupping it so she feels safe, loved, and secure, while continuing to breathe and processing any sensations or emotions you have experienced.